Hi, so in this next video, I'll be showing you how to create the budget items directly. So I'm already in the budgeting page. I'm going to click the name of the budget I want to work on and then start keying in income and expense items. So let's start with income items here. So this is a table that requires that I selected two, so I have two by default. So if I wanted to create 10, I could have just as well just put in 10 and to give us 10 different boxes. So what's the budget item? So this is an income item. So we can say revenue from revenue from Swift Cloud ERP. I'll just copy and paste the same text here to save time. The next field here is item code. So each item is expected to have a code in a budgeting system. So the accountants know about that. Let me just start with 100. And then which department does this concern? I would say which department? I say admin. I leave it like that. And the next field here is category. So for I'm going to select hospital. So I think apparently there are other categories being created. So I'm just going to focus on the ones that are the categories. Okay, these are the categories I created. So I'm going to be focusing on strictly. I can say Swift software. I can select that there. Which account is this tied to? In the accounting module, I select also the date of the budget, the date we expect that this will be done. I do that, and what's the amount we're expecting. I can say 1 million. That's an example for the month. Then I go to the next item, revenue from Jasmine software. Copy and paste also. Code, I say 101. Sorry, say hospital. Software, yes, service revenue. And then probably we can say 800,000. And then once I'm done, I can post the revenue. It asks for confirmation if that's true. It saves it to a database. So at the bottom, you can see what we've done already. So let's quickly add an expense, two expense items also. So for expense, we can say flyers. You can say Google Ads. Maybe we start with 500. This is going to be for the marketing department. Google Ads. So it means that there would have been a chart of account that has to do with that advertising expense, yes. So we're doing 600K on Google Ads. And then let's say direct marketing. Marketing. Can select that category there. Assuming we want to do just 200K. Once I'm done, confirm everything that I've done and then click post expense estimate. So once we're done, you can see, so it's just that you just keep adding them and all that. If I want to search by just the revenue items, I just click revenue here and it's going to show only the revenue items. I want to see expenditure items, I click expenditure and it shows this. And lastly, very importantly, I want to see the performance of this budget. I just click performance. So performance is like a report of the, or a dashboard of this particular budget, and how far we have gone with, let's say, the actual expenses and all that. So you can see projected revenue is this, projected expenditure is this, the budget cycle is showing. It has a chart that shows, how it shows the budget, so you can see clearly that revenue, we plan to have much more revenue than the expenses. And we have the reports at the bottom here, so you can see it's comparing between the actual, showing the percentage of the budget performance, and this is expected to work with, like I told you, the accounting model, so that as expense and revenue are being entered, it updates this automatically, the performance automatically, so that we know how the performance is going. So this is just an example of this. So like I said, this 70% done because we've not done the performance aspect, but everything is properly integrated such that the moment the performance aspect is added to the accounting module, automatically it populates in this place. So this is about it. I need to test it extensively. If there are recommendations to be made in anything, you let us know, so that we can improve on this.